probably
So I just saw a wolf and it was really scary.
Saw her dad.
Me. But there's a statue of New Hampshire. Yeah.
I didn't even notice it. I didn't know the statue.
This walk is like 20 years long. I'm probably gonna die.
10 hours. We're walking for 12 hours now. 12 hours, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it was 10 hours. Man, I'm pretty sure we're lost.
We started this one was like dark and now it's daytime. So we've
been walking overnight. Whoops, stepped on my shoe.
That kills me.
But yeah. See you guys in 2 minutes, hopefully, if I don't die. Hey! So, I like cheese. It's so good. Right now, we're walking in the woods like usual in these videos. We're going up to that rock. It's pretty epic. There's Ava over there. She's dead. But I like cheese!